Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gas welding valves that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Supplying Demand 700 to 506 millivolt combination gas valve. The Supplying Demand 700 to 506 millivolt combination gas valve is a versatile valve suitable for various gas types such as natural, manufactured, mixed, LP, and LP air mixtures. It features a gas cock dial marking, an inlet filtered screen, and comes in supplying demand packaging. The pressure regulation is 3.5 inches WC for natural gas, and the valve has a capacity of 300,000 BTU. Additionally, it has a 3-position outlet and is RoHS compliant. It is important to disconnect from the power and gas supply before servicing. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Robert Shaw 700 to 506 gas valve. The Robert Shaw 700 to 506 gas valve is a compact and efficient solution for gas welding, with its normally closed solenoid and high flow rates. It features standard NEMA terminals and an inlet filtered screen, and can work with various gas types including natural, manufactured, mixed, LP and LP air mixtures. At number 3, we have the MCA-MPAS Gas Fryer Repair Parts 700 Series Millivolt Gas Valve. Introducing the MCA-MPAS gas valve, a reliable replacement for the Robert Shaw 700 series millivolt safety gas valves. This gas valve is designed to operate with a wide range of gas fryers, providing a safe and efficient solution for your cooking needs. With its wall thermostat actuated combination controls, the MCA-MPAS gas valve works seamlessly with the pilot burner, thermopile, electric thermostat, and high limit switch. It features a closed solenoid design and comes with standard NEMA terminals, pilot outlet 1/4, tubing, pilot gas filter, and pilot adjusting key. The inlet and outlet thread sizes are 3/4, -14 NPT female thread, and the package includes 2 additional 3/4 by 1/2 reducer bushing kits for easy pipe mount conversion. With its compatibility with various gas valves, including the Robert Shaw 700 to 506 and 700 to 503, the MCA-MPAS gas valve is a versatile choice for both gas fryers and swimming furnaces. Upgrade your equipment with this high-quality gas valve and enjoy a smooth cooking experience. At number 2, we have the Western Enterprises 206 Non-Corrosive Gas Flow Valves. The Western Enterprises 206 non-corrosive gas flow valves are a reliable and durable option for your gas welding needs. Made in the United States, these industrial hose valves are designed to handle acetylene fuel gas with a maximum pressure of 200 psig. With a 9/16 18 LHM size and a length of 0.5 inches, these valves are compact and easy to handle. The package includes one valve, weighing only 1.0 lb. The non-corrosive material ensures long-lasting performance, while the gas welding category guarantees compatibility with your welding setup. The Western Enterprises gas flow valves provide convenience and peace of mind, making your welding tasks easier and safer. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dante 3 inches Universal Gas Valve Key. The Dante 3 inches Universal Gas Valve Key in antique brass is a convenient tool for controlling gas flow in your home. Made of zinc die cast and plated with antique brass, this key is not only durable but also adds a touch of elegance to your gas valve. The unique design of the Dante Universal Key allows it to fit both 1/4 and 5/16 gas valve stems, making it compatible with both ball and globe gas valves. With this key, you can easily turn the gas on or off with ease and precision. Whether you need to adjust the flame on your fireplace or shut off the gas supply to your grill, the Dante gas valve key is a must-have accessory for any homeowner.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.